Yes, seventh question children, fourth part of this. This is the given statement. Apply the same law. Log A plus log B, that is log A into B, is equal to 4 will be taken as power, 2 will be taken as power. Clear? Now you can see here it is A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. We have already done this identity. This side also log A plus log B is log A into B. Clear? When log and log will get cancelled, you are left with this term. So the value of x is 13. Question number 8 children. Fourth part of this, you are asked to solve for the value of x. You have to solve for the value of x. Now we can see what is the relation between 225 and 15. Can we write 225 as 15 square? So 2 can be taken in front. Here you are left with log 15 log 15. It will get cancelled, is equal to log x. So you are left with this term. So children, you must be thinking here 10 is not mentioned, but I have taken 10 over here. So remember, when they will not mention the base, it is understood base is 10. So write it in the exponential form. This is the value of x. Ninth question, these are the values, given values, and you are asked to find value of this expression. So let's write children. How we can write it? Log 10 log A into B. How it will be written? Log A plus log B. This is the case of division, so it will minus log y square. Now what is the value of log 10? 1. Log x value is given to us, that is what? M plus n, and log y is m minus n. So replace here. This 2 will be taken in front. Clear? This is the value of log x I replaced in this step. Log y I will put over here. Now open the bracket and solve the like terms. This will be the answer. Yes, question number 11th. You are given this value and you are asked to find value of this expression. So children, 2.25 can be written after removing the decimal. So the term will be log, after cutting it will be log 9. It is log A over B, that is log A minus log B. So how we can write 9 3 square? So 2 can be taken in front. Log 10 is what? 1. Now you can see what is the value of log 3. It is given B. So this is the answer, 2b minus 1. In the same way children, sixth part of the same question, this will be 25 over 8. We are given the value of log 2 and log 3. So let us convert these values in terms of log 2 and 3. Can I write it as log 25 minus log 8? Yes. Now 25 can be written 5 square, although I don't have the value, but still you see what I'll do. 5 square minus log 2 power 3. Can we take 2 in front? That will be taken log 5 minus 3 log 2. Children, I am given the value of log 2. So this term will become 3 log A. Now what to do of 5? Can I write 5 as log 10 by 2? 5 can be written as log 10 by 2. So how to solve this question? This will be 2 log 10 over 2. Now in the next step, how we'll continue? 2 log 10 minus 2 log 2. Log 10 is what? 1 and log 2 value is given. So this question you have to complete yourself children. I did not complete the question. Complete it yourself. Now 12th question students, the value of this expression you are asked to find out and you are given the value of log 2 and log 3. So let's write this expression. Can we write it in this form? Log A upon B is log A minus log B. So find out the prime factors of 12. Log 10 we know, that is what? 1. Now this is 2 square. This is what? Log A into B into C. How will write? Log A plus log B log C, but I combined the terms. 2 square plus log 3 minus 1. Can we take 2 in front? Yes. Log 3 minus 1. Now you can see in your question, value of log 2 is given. Put the value, log 3 is given, minus 1. Then you can solve this yourself. Now what I left over here, just see how to solve this. Same question, log 25 can be written as log 5 square. 2 will be written in front, but we are not given the value of log 5. So in that case, what to do children? Can we write 5 as 10 by 2? Yes. 2 into what? Which property will apply here? Log A upon B, that is log A minus log B. Log A, log 10 you know, that is what? 1, and value of log 2 is given. Okay, now you can solve this and complete the question yourself. Yes, this is the given question and you are asked to find the value of x children. take it as the power. 1 can be written as log 10 because all two terms are in logarithmic form. We can't apply the property, so better to write it in logarithmic form. Is equal to this. Now which property? Log a plus log b. That is what? Log a multiply b is equal to log this. Now single log, both the sides will get cancel. X square is equal to 250 by 10. So this is the value of x. Same way you have to solve second part of the question. Clear? Try it. And x is what? This value, put it here and solve. Yes, 14th question. 3 can be taken as power. Same way 1 by 2 can also be taken as power. Now combine it. Log a plus log b can be written as log a multiplied by b is equal to 2 can be written as log 100. Why we wrote? In order to cancel log. So you are left with this is equal to this. From here y raised to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 100 over x cube. When you will remove square root from this side, it will change to square, and this is your answer when you will open it.
3.
Yes, 15th question, students. This is given to you and you are asked to express this term in terms of a, b and c. Let's write log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. This is division. So minus log x square minus z cube. Now log 10 is what? 1. Power will be 1 by 2. That will be taken in front. Log y minus 2 will be taken in front. Log x minus 3 will be taken in front. 1 plus half. Value of y is given. This 1000 raised to the power b minus log value of x is given in the question. Same way value of z is also given. So put the values. 1 plus this b can be taken in front, b by 2. Now children, how many zeros are there? 4. So I told you log 10 1, log 100 2. Same way this value will be 4. Minus 2, this a will be taken in front into log 100 is what? 2. Minus c will be taken in front and log 10 is what? 1. So this is your final answer. 16th question, this is given to you children. 3 into log a minus log b, log a upon b minus log, take it as the power, it will be 5, 6 square will be 6 into 6 will be in the denominator equals to 2 minus log x. Now log, when you will take 3 as the power, 5 raised to power 3 is 125 by 27. 5 by 36 is equal to children 2 can we write 2 as log 100. So log 100 minus log x can be written as log 100 over x. Combine it, log a minus b, log a divided by b. So this is what a, divide, when you will divide it, division will change to multiply, 36 will be in the numerator and 5 here. Cancel the logs and both x value of x will be 3.
Start.
Exercise 8c children, first question, you are given the value of log 8. It is given and you are asked to find the value of this expression. So children, this can be written as 125 by 1000. When you will cut it, it is 1 by 8. So log a upon b, how we can write? Log a minus log b. Log 1 I told you that is 0. This value is given, put the value and solve it. Second question, log 27 is equal to this and you are asked to find the value of log 9. You are asked to find the value of log 9 and log.
Start.
Yes, log 27 is given in the question children and you are asked to find the value of log 9 and 300. So we can convert in the form of 3. So 27 can I write in this form? Yes. 3 will be taken in front and log 3 value will be this. Now let's see how to solve. We are asked to find the value of log 9. Can I write log 9 as 3 square? 2 will be taken in front and value of log 3 I already found. Put this value over here and solve. Log 300, how can we write 3 into 100? So log a into b, how to write? Log a plus log b. Log 3 value already we got and log 100 is what? 2. Add it and that will be the answer. Third question students, you are given this value, okay, and from here this can be written in exponential form. 10 raised to the power b is equal to a. You are asked to find value of this expression. So see, very interesting question. How we can write this value? 10 power 3b, the case is of minus 10 power 2. Same basis, when they divide, powers will subtract. So this expression can be written in this form. So children, can I write 10 power 3b as 10 power b outside 3? Why? Because I have the value 10 power b. Clear? So 10 power b is what? A cube upon 100. So we expressed it in terms of a. Now question number 4 of this, you are given this value and you are asked to find value of this expression. So children, I already solved. In the same way as we solved third sum, you have to solve this. Question number 5. These two values are given. Express them in exponential form and you are asked to find this value. So same procedure. Separate the power, minus sign. So what should we write here? Divide. When same bases divide, power will subtract. Plus sign, so it will multiply. So separate it the base like this. 3 power 1 divide by, how can we write this term? 3 power y, because 3 power y is given, value is given. Outside the power is 2. In the same way we'll write this. 3 power y is n, it will become n square. 3 power x is m, it will become m cube. So this is your final answer. Yes, thank you students.